Hello tech lovers, you join me at quite a frustrating point in my life as I've been sent these filters for the DJI Osmo Action camera. I'm really struggling to be able to use them because DJI for some reason have made it really hard to get this lens cap off. I've been trying for ages and ages, certainly with my hand it's not going to work. I've had a quick look online and apparently the key is an elastic band. So here's the problem. Action cam, new, fresh out the box. I've had it for a while, but this is the first time I've tried to actually take this off, and it is just, I don't know what they do to it at the factory, but it is just rammed on solid. In an attempt to get this loose, I'm going to try an elastic band around it. The elastic band right round, had to wrap it a few times. Goodness me, this is stuck something rotten. There we go. So, thumbs up for the elastic band technique. That has finally loosened the lens cap. With the lens cap finally removed, I can check these out, kindly given to me to review by the manufacturer. So they come in what looks almost like a presentation case, 4 in total. You can see they look just like the one I've removed, and they should just screw straight on. Each of the lenses is individually labelled ND4, ND8, ND16 and ND32, going from lighter to darker. So as these lenses change the look of the Osmo footage, I thought I'd come somewhere really beautiful to test this out. I'm up in Scotland, so I'm going to take some footage with all the lenses, including the Osmo lens itself, and then we can do a comparison. So this was my first experiment with the lenses. These are a bit like sunglasses for the Osmo Action, and you can see I couldn't see too much of a difference. There's perhaps a little bit more definition in the clouds with the darker ones. Trying this again though, and you can see a really clear difference here. You can see that it gets from lighter to darker, and so I imagine the problem for me is that I don't live in a very sunny place, and Scotland wasn't especially sunny when I was visiting. I waited a couple of weeks, was out on a bank holiday filming the A50 review. It was nice and sunny, but again, not a huge difference. It's really in the sky that you can see the difference, with the ND32 having a darker blue. And so I think it's going to take a bit of getting used to changing these filters and knowing when to use them. And if you've got any tips about that, please leave them in the comment section below. I can certainly see a good use for these in sunnier climates. You can see it can go really dark, and that would help keep out sun glare from your footage. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please hit subscribe, join my tech tribe. I'll put links in the description below. See you on the next review.